Today, I'll show you how to turn on or off Google Calendar notifications so you can control exactly how or if Calendar gets your attention. Whether you want reliable reminders popping up on your desktop or you're trying to cut down on distractions, we'll walk through the options step by step. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account whose notifications you want to manage. This is important if you use multiple accounts because the settings only apply to the account that's currently active. Once Google Calendar is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings menu. Click on that gear icon. This opens a short drop-down menu with several options related to how your calendar looks and behaves. From that drop-down, click on Settings. This will take you to the full settings page where all of your calendar preferences live. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're only focusing on the notification options. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu with different sections. Find and click on the section labeled Notification Settings. This area controls how Google Calendar sends you event reminders and alerts. In the notification settings, look for the main notifications option. There will be a drop-down menu next to it. Click on that drop-down to see the different choices for how notifications behave on your computer. One of the options you'll see is desktop notifications. Choose this if you want event reminders to appear as small pop-up messages on your computer screen. This is helpful if you keep Calendar open in a browser tab and rely on it to remind you about upcoming meetings, appointments, or tasks. Your browser may ask for permission to show notifications the first time you turn this on, so make sure to allow that if prompted. You'll also see an option called Alerts. When you click this, Calendar will show more prominent in-browser alerts for your events. These alerts can be a bit more noticeable while you're using Calendar, which some people prefer if they don't want to miss anything. Finally, if you don't want Google Calendar to interrupt you at all, you can click Off in that drop-down. Choosing Off disables these desktop-style notifications, which can be useful if you're trying to stay focused or you already rely on another system for reminders like email or a different app. Once you've chosen the option that fits your needs, you're done. Your changes are saved automatically, so you can simply close the Settings tab. Now you know how to turn Google Calendar notifications on, switch between desktop alerts and basic alerts, or turn them off completely whenever you need.